The first step your business can take to have a successful Small Business Saturday is finding other local businesses, organizations, or small companies that have events already scheduled. You and other business owners may benefit from increased visibility as a result of these events. Check with your local business alliance, Chamber of Commerce, and Local First organizations to see if they have anything planned for the day to get you started. If you don't already know who they are, Google your town or your country's name, plus Business Alliance, Chamber of Commerce, and/or Local First. Then see if any of these organizations have a Small Business Saturday event planned. You may also ask other small business owners whether they're doing anything special for Small Business Saturday, in addition to checking in with these groups. It may be time to take matters into your own hands if none of these organizations or business sponsors have an event scheduled. Stick with me and get more ways to make your Small Business Saturday a huge success.